Welcome to Proxygeo channel. In this video, we will instruct you to buy proxy at proxygeo.com. In general, you need to take 3 steps to buy then use proxy from proxygeo.com. The first step, you need to create an account at proxygeo.com. Then the second step, you need to select the type of proxy that you want to buy, then pay for the selected package. And the final step, you need to assign a sex ID for authorization before using the proxies. Now we instruct you the first step. Create an account at proxygeo.com. To create an account at proxygeo.com, you visit the site proxygeo.com, then click on Sign in. Next, you click on Don't have account yet, sign up. Next, you fill in the needed sections here. First is email address. For example, this is my email address. Next is the first name and last name. Then the phone number. Next is the password. Remember that a strong password needs 8 to 20 letters consisting of uppercase letter, lowercase letter, number, and special character. Next, confirm password. Then you tick on I'm not a robot. Finally, you click register. Next, you check your email to confirm your account. We will send you an email with the subject confirm your email. If you don't see it in the inbox, please check your spam box. This one, confirm your email. Then click on this email. Click on Look Safe. Then back to your inbox. You will see the confirm email here. Click on this email and then click on confirm email. After your email is confirmed successfully, you click on launching here. Next, you enter the email address and password, then click sign in to launching your account at proxygeo.com. You can see the information of created account here. So we have just finished the first step, creating an account at proxygeo.com. Then we come to the second step, pay for your proxy package. Back to the homepage of proxygeo.com, then click on pricing. You can see the different types of proxy that we provide. Private proxy IPv4, rotating proxy IPv4, Vietnam residential proxy, static proxy IPv6, rotating proxy IPv6, and YouTube proxy. In this video, I will select the rotating proxy IPv4. Click here. Then you can see 3 packages for you to choose here. Click buy now at the package that you want to buy. For example, I click buy now at 1 month package. Then scroll down to the checkout payment details here. Next, you put the number of proxy that you want to buy into the quantity section here. You can get 1% discount for every order of 100 proxies, up to 10%. And with this package, you need to buy 10 proxies at least. Next, a rotation minute session. You can select 10, 20, 30 or 60 minutes, it's up to you. And you also can change this rotating time later. Next, add payment currency. Just leave it at the default USD. Come to the payment method. You can pay the proxy with two payment methods, Proxygeo wallets or the Visa MasterCard. If you select the first option at payment method section, you need to click on deposit here to top up your Proxygeo wallet. Then you can see the different methods to deposit your wallet. First, if you want to top up your account with crypto via Coinbase automatically, you can click on this one. Then enter the deposit amount here. For example, I enter 100 and then click submit. Then you can select the wallet that you want to pay here. Another way to deposit your Proxygeo wallets automatically is via Visa and MasterCard. Click on this one. Then enter the deposit amount. Then click submit. Then you need to fulfill the needed information here. Finally, you click pay. After you complete the payment, your Proxygeo wallets will be deposited automatically within 5 minutes. You can back to the account's information to check the account balance. You can see the account balance changes to $100 here. If the amounts you deposited had not been added to your account as Proxygeo, please contact us for support. In case you want to top up your Proxygeo wallet manually, you click on this one. Then you can select one of the different payment methods that we presented here. After making payment, please contact us to show the payment proof. Then we will have you deposit your Proxygeo wallets manually. After depositing your Proxygeo wallets, you back to the payment details here. Scroll down. Then click on I have read and agree the term of use of proxygeo.com. You can click on term of use to read it. Finally, you click buy now. These are steps need to be taken to buy proxies with the first payment method, Proxygeo wallets. Now we come to the second payment method, Visa or MasterCard. You need to click on this payment method, Visa or MasterCard. Then click on I have read and agree to term of use of proxygeo.com. Then click buy now. Then you need to fulfill the needed information here. Then click subscribe. Remember that if you pay with Visa or MasterCard, your proxy package will be renewed automatically. After buying proxy, you back to your account at proxygeo.com. Then you click on proxy management here. Next, click on the type of proxy that you buy. I click on rotating proxy IPv4 here. You can see these are provided proxy. So we have just finished the second step. Select the proxy type that you want, then pay for your selected proxy package. Now we come to the last step. Assign a set IP and then use this proxy. You need to assign a set IP for authorization before using this proxy. Assigning a set IP for authorization is really important because it will help you enhance security, control online access to these proxies, and prevent prompt. Now I instruct you to assign a text ID. First, you tick on the proxy that you want to allow a text ID. If you do not tick on any proxy before assigning a text ID, the edit ID will be assigned to all proxies here. Next, you visit whatismyipaddress.com to check your ID. Copy the IPv4 here. Then click on Assign a text IP. Paste the copy IP. Then click Submit. You can see the edit IP at IP's allow access column here. Next, you click on these two proxies. Then click on Export File. Then you can see the extracted file proxy here. You can wait for 10 to 15 minutes after assigning a set ID to use these proxies. Now we will instruct you to use these British proxy on Firefox browser. First, you open Firefox browser, then visit whatismyip.com. Then you can see this is the IPv4. Now we will edit the provided proxy. Click on this icon. Select Manage More Settings. Type proxy here. Then click on Setting. Click on Manual Proxy Configuration. Then you add the IP and box of the purchased proxy here. Next is the part. Remember to tick on this one. Also use this proxy for HTTPS. Then click OK. Then you back to whatismyipaddress.com. Reload this page. Then you see the IPv4 changed to this IP already. Now we will visit some popular sites, for example YouTube. You can see any videos here on YouTube. Similarly, you can visit any other sites if you want with this new IP address. Next, back to your proxy management. In case you want to change the rotation minute here, you click on the proxy that you want to change. Then click on Change Rotation Time. Then click on here. You can select any option. For example, I select 30. Then click Submit. Then you can see the rotation minute of this proxy has been changed to 30 minutes here. Finally, if you want to renew your proxy package, click on Proxy Renewal here. Then fulfill the payment details as steps mentioned in Step 2, Pay for your proxy package. Remember to deposit your Proxygeo wallet before you renew your proxy package. Then click on Proxy Renewal.
So we have just instructed you all the needed steps to buy the used proxy at proxygeo.com.
If you find it useful, kindly like, comment, and share as you want. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for acquiring more useful knowledge from our videos. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.